My OBS up here. What's up, chat? How we doing, bro? All right. Yo, chat. What's good, guys? How we all doing? Yo. Hope everyone's staying safe in this crazy world we live in. Happy new week. Hope you guys all had a good weekend. What's good, chat? How's everybody doing today? Just fix my camera real quick. I think we're all good. Wifey's in the building. Chat's in the building. How was everybody's weekend, man? How was everybody's weekend? Hey man, first time in this channel, what instruments do you trade? I trade a lot. NQ, YM, gold, and then Forex I trade gold, Aussie, Euro, USD CAD, UJ, GJ, quite a bit. Quite a bit. What's up, Jonathan? How we doing, brother? Morning, Marco. Sir, I just want to say thank you. I passed my second Apex 50K. Thank you all to your mentorship, sure. Thank you very much. Awesome, bro. Let's go, Jonathan. Come on, man. W's. I'm pretty sure you said that's your second, but I think I remember you saying you passed your first one as well, so. That is some good news. That's some good news, chat. Thanks for the info. Yes, sir. Always, guys, always. We have brand new YouTube videos coming out this week as well. Well, tomorrow, actually. Brand new YouTube video coming out tomorrow. But chat, holy shit. I don't want to go political, because that's not what the streams are for anyways, but I feel like we can still talk about it because it's going to be affecting the markets. But wow. What a, let me fix my cam. One sec. What a weekend full of events across the world. For anybody over there on the east side, like in the Middle East, I hope you guys are all staying safe. Yeah, it's a really unfortunate and scary / dangerous situation what's going on over there right now. So again, I hope everybody that's being affected by this is staying safe. The videos that I'm seeing over here, like if you guys follow MarcoJournal on Instagram, they've been updating what's been going on the whole time. And yeah, man, some of these videos look scary, bro. Like just like skyscrapers getting bombed, high-rise buildings getting bombed. Like it's yeah, it's scary situations, bro. Scary. working on my third now. Let's go, Jonathan. Good stuff, bro. I like that. I like that. And a lot of people would make the mistake of passing one account and trading the funded right away because they're just so eager to make money. But I like what you're doing. You're passing accounts one by one, taking your time. That's the process about this. It's what you're supposed to be doing. So, props to you. What is that IG account? Market Journal. So it's one of our sponsors here. It's on CF. If you guys have not followed Market Journal, go give them a follow. They update. You can see it there. There you go. Wow, it looks like my phone's dusty. What the hell? They update everything that's been going on globally. Very well said. Thank you. Thanks, wifey. Dubai is being targeted. Yes, sir. So I'm supposed to have a flight out to Dubai on March 18th, which is 16 days away. If I had to guess right now, I don't think the trip will be happening no more. Don't think the trip will be happening no more. So, which is the least of my problems. I mean, we have people that have their lives at risk right now. So, again, I hope you guys are all staying safe. I wish nothing but the best for anybody that's being affected by these situations right now. On the other hand, if we're going to escape the political talk for a bit, Apex has made some massive changes. If you guys are traders that did not like the trailing drawdown, I believe you will love the new changes that they just brought in. And I can show you a little screenshot, a little sneak peek into what is involved. So they now have end of day drawdown, just like a lot of the other firms. No payout denials, which is insane. 50% consistency, which is also insane because before it was 30%. So everything just got better with Apex, and it is now 90% off. It is now 90% off. So I'm not going to lie to you. Might be one of your best options right now when it comes to trading futures. So take advantage, and they are running 90% off discounts right now, chat. 90% off discounts. Are you going to get some Apex accounts, Marco? You know, Wonder, that's a great question. And to answer that question, yes, I have purchased myself some Apex accounts. So, does the run start now? Does the run to 1 million start now? We'll have to wait and see. Hashtag ad, hashtag sponsored. Apex are not in Kenya. Help out? Bro. Listen, if the firm isn't supported in your country, there's nothing I can do. I don't own the firm, unfortunately. But yeah, chat, that's kind of all the updates I got for you all right now. We had, of course, everything that's going on globally right now. We had a wild market open across everything, I think, especially oil. If you guys have not looked at oil, big gap up last night. I think we closed up at, one second, we closed up at $67, opened up at $75 on gold. Or sorry, on oil. That's on oil. So, the markets are on smoke currently, chat. Absolute smoke. Okay? Gold opened up with a gap to the upside as well. Nothing big, but opened up with a gap. Same with indices. Gap to the downside. So yeah, we have a lot of stuff to go over. Share screen. I'm going to share screen in a moment. I know Gene was grinning. Yeah, brother Gene had some oil swings. So when that market opened up bullish like that, yeah, the guys who were longing oil were laughing, to say the least, laughing. To people who already have Apex account, are these changes automated? No, Kurt. So they're two different accounts. You can still go with the accounts you've been buying, or you can switch over to the new one. So they just have two different accounts now to cater to certain people's strategies. Because, like, for example, my strategy, I don't think, and I'm not going to say I know for sure, but I don't think it would have performed well in trailing equity drawdown conditions. So with this new end of day drawdown, it does cater to my system more for sure. So yeah, that's the update with Apex chat. Solid update. Again, it now gives you guys more options to trade, and they're running more discounts. So hey, it's a win-win. But nonetheless, let's hop into some charts, chat. We have lots to talk about. It's Monday, so as you guys know, I like to hop on, kind of break down everything with you guys. Get a forecast going for the week. So, just like I've been posting on the Twitter, I'm bearish on indices. I've been bearish. And I still think 23K is a target to be seen. Okay, doesn't mean we're not going to have any bullish conditions before then. Doesn't mean we're just going to have a massive candle to the downside. No, that's not how the market operates. But this is a downside target for me. 23K flat is going to stay there for NQ. Intraday wise, I wanted to see price above these highs. Didn't get it. We just stabbed above this one and sold off. So, where do I believe price is going to head to next? 1 second. My ass is yawning over here, chat. I got to get some caffeine inside me. So, we've taken all the highs. And that's fueled this downside move. Next target, lows. After that, more lows. Which, to be honest here, I'm just going to mark this one out here. Get rid of this. So, that's all I got marked out on NQ right now on the higher time frames. But I am leaning towards the downside, chat. I am leaning towards the downside. Let's see. Lower time frame wise, we've just had a trap that occurred at New York Open here. So we've induced sellers and trapped them, and now we're selling to the downside still. Yes, sir. All I see right now. Look at the price action we've had following that. Look at this on M1. Don't like, so we're just gonna have to react accordingly here, chat. We'll see if we can catch a little continuation through New York session. But as per my experience in these markets, I'm assuming the open is just gonna go very bearish, so it's gonna be hard to catch a continuation, I feel like. But hey, we're here and we're ready. We'll see what happens. YM has died to the downside, chat. Died, and there's many people that caught this sell, so cheers to you. That was a gorgeous sell opportunity on YM. Does your strategy only work in New York session? No. Higher time frame wise on YM, my eyes go to these lows. My eyes go to these lows. At the least, that'll be the first destination. That will be the first one. Okay, gold. We'll go CFD chart for this. Gold, I'm bullish. I'm bullish, but I'm also not trading it. So these are not conditions that favor me. I don't care about catching tops. So right now, the way I see gold is we're high. We're at like a premium end of this range. And I don't like to continuously look for buys in these conditions. I want to see some sort of relief. So if price can somehow get down here, which I don't know if it's gonna, based off what's going on economically right now around the world, then I'm gonna have to just wave buy to gold. So nothing to be trading right now on gold personally. Maybe we get in here and we can see bullish PA back up. We would have this internal high being a next target, 54.51. But as of right now, I would need to see price below this low at the least into this gap. All right. That's the short I used to pass my account. Let's go, Jonathan. Fuck yeah, bro. W. Into Forex. Into the Forex market. Aussie. Building at the highs and at the lows. So, what do I usually call this kind of price action, chat? Like no man's land? I want to see price below these lows now. Below these lows, and maybe we can see that long back up on Aussie. So, this is a higher time frame idea. Excuse me. It's a higher time frame idea, so this will take time as well. Euro. I don't like this PA on Euro. I'm not going to lie to you, chat. Higher time frame wise, we've taken out all these highs from the left hand side. These lows will probably be seen on an intraday. Not really intraday, but short term. We have this low we're going to be hunting for next. Looks like we're going to be coming for that now. Look at this daily candle. Yeah, chat. That's it though right now. Nothing really interesting, because you have to keep in mind that we're just having these big moves off the back of market open last night, right? So USD CAD. Short? Let me see the higher time frames. Oh, bro. This thing could. The thing about USD CAD that I don't like as well, it's very similar to what we just saw in NQ. Look at this. High taken here. High not taken on the left hand side. One sec, chat. Yeah, but high taken here, high take not taken on the left hand side. So that's a bit alarming for me. Red flaggy. So it's telling me that we have left liquidity to the upside, which ideally I like to be seen. Or sorry, don't like to be seen. I want to see these highs get taken. Like, for example, the easiest way to trade this PA right now, chat, is you just have these highs marked on. That's it. You have those highs marked on, that's it, and you wait. So yes, I think USD CAD could have some downside potential, but I'd wait for those highs to go first. However it occurs. Yes, you can probably try and buy into it, but the conditions right now don't look too favorable to be buying into them. So that's why I'm kind of steered clear. UJ and GJ don't look too pretty, so I'm just going to ignore that for now. We have German 40 showing some bearish momentum to open up the week. You know what, bro? German 40 to these lows. Chat, to these lows. Look possible for sure. This will be a wild. I want to put this checked off because I want to see what happens there. All right, let's head back to NQ. We got 3 minutes until stock open. You know what? Fuck, fine. 1 second, let me check chat. People are saying BTC. I'm pretty sure BTC hasn't really moved yet. It hasn't moved yet. Nothing really to look at, chat. I'm still bearish. A bearish overall. I'm bearish overall. So what that means is you could still see intraday longs, but long term I'm still bearish. Like we've left these highs intact, which is a little bit. Could see the price get back up to these highs eventually, 71K before we see that 49K move. Marcus, I noticed there was no change in trading style or plan, even with the ongoing Middle East tensions. Well, there's definitely changes risk-wise, because now volatility's increased, which means naturally stop losses will get bigger, ticks and pips-wise. So yeah, your volume will decrease naturally. And if you don't decrease your volume on these conditions, then yeah, you're going to be putting yourself in a higher risk situation. Right, chat? So you got to be aware of that for sure. Gold crashed, I'm sure. Yes, sir. We got news at 10 as well, chat. News at 10 as well. We got NFP this week, by the way. I think I'm losing my voice. Damn. What's up, Marco? I hope all is good. Yes, sir, Abu. All is well, brother. We got 1 minute till stock open. Here, what's up, chat? I know everybody's saying hello. What's up? What's up? What's up? Lucky my Dubai trip was well over. The timing was very, very lucky on that for sure. Since I was in Dubai last week. Yeah. But again, anybody who's out there right now, especially in the Middle East, my thoughts and prayers are to you and your families. No one deserves to be going through what you guys are going through right now. Internal take in here, chat. We got some lows left on the lower time frame right here. Don't really have the cleanest bias as of today, or as of right now on NQ. Based off what's going on economically right now, my bias overall for the day should be short, just based off that. But technicals wise, yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Got me spending my birthday watching the live and I ain't complaining. Yo, happy birthday, bro. Happy birthday, brother. So we have highs taken, lows spiked out, and we've had that reaction to the upside. Next target would be the highs, chat. What do we think is going to happen today, chat? So look, if you guys look at the bottom right of my screen right now, I don't know if you can see it yet. One second, there it is. Now you can see it. So right now, NQ is down minus 1%. So if I run a poll, okay? I run a poll. Curious to see your guys' suggestions. Look, so check in chat, guys. I just started a poll. Do you guys think NQ is going to close up red or green on the day? Right now, we're down 1%. We're red 1%. Do you guys think we're going to close up green or red on the day? Do I prioritize higher time frame bias? Always. Always, always, always. All right, chat. So we've just taken out highs. I believe to the left. No, not yet. To the left. Do you suggest we stay away from gold? I don't like gold personally right now. So that's on you. US will close green. Interesting. What's chat saying right now? So right now, 56% is red. 56% of you guys are saying we're going to close red on the day. Which means, where did we open up? Closed up here. So we'd have to get above there, if that's possible. 150 point M1 candle. That's a 80 point M1 candle. Oh, you're talking about these ones right now? Nah, all of these are the same thing relatively, but still crazy price action. Look, just from the lows here, chat, to the highs. It's 150 ticks in 3 minutes. 150 points in 3 minutes. F this manipulated? What do you guys mean by manipulated? It still follows technicals at the end of the day. That's just increased volatility. We have, you know what's alarming as well, chat, is look at Friday or Thursday. We left these, or no, though this would be Friday because this is London high on Friday. Friday we left these equals. To be honest with you, like looking at this price action just like this, chat, all of this is basically no trading for me anyways. This is why I didn't take any trades on NQ. I didn't take any trades on NQ all week last week, chat. All week. I had a gold short on Thursday. Show you guys a wicked gold short on Thursday. Look at this, chat. This was Thursday. My only futures trade of the week. If you guys can see, you can't see this one. Let's see if I can do this. There you go. This was my trade on Thursday, chat. Short entry. 4 minutes on gold. Exit. My only futures trade last week. Gold getting into gap. Let me see pips wise. What is this? You're looking at, it's nothing too crazy. It's 1100 pips. Based off what gold's been doing, bro. It's not that crazy. All right, chat. If you guys haven't voted yet, get your votes going in chat right now. I have a poll running, and I'm curious to see your guys' take on this. Right now, we're red 0.67% on the day on NQ. Do you guys think we're going to be closing red or green on the day? Again, we're 6.7% red right now. And shrinking rapidly if you guys are not looking at my chart in front of me right now. Curious to see. So it's pretty 50-50. A lot of you guys think, my guess right now is a lot of people that are pressing green are because of this move right now. This is inducing a lot of you to go green. But it's very 50-50, which is interesting. What's maximum risk per trade? It depends what accounts I'm trading. It also depends on how much I'm up on the account. I pressed green because I like the color. Did you guys hear wifey? Yo, chat, look at this candle. This is a There's a 15-minute candle that has moved over 1% in the market. From low to high, chat, 280 points. After this push hardly ends red, we're gonna have to wait and see. Could have a wild day in front of us, man. It's possible. Downside target, or sorry, upside target's still intact. Less than 8 minutes. Yes, sir, Sharky. It's crazy. It's to be expected, man. If you guys have seen what's gone on across the world, like, it's literally World War III. It's mind-boggling, man. Like, every time I pull up Market Journal's Instagram, there's another missile going off, another bomb going off. Like, it's freaking crazy, man. And some of these missile strikes in Bahrain, is anybody, and chat, is anybody here in Bahrain? Oil refineries in Saudi Arabia just got hit. It's insane, man. We are getting a bounce right now on the 5-minute here. I'm gonna end this poll. So basically, some people a little more red than green, but basically 50-50 people think on what we're gonna end off on the day. Check oil prices. Oil prices gap on the open. So we closed up here, chat. We opened up here. 67.28, $75 we opened up at. Crazy. Absolutely crazy, chat. The World War III begins. Are we able to trade or not? Listen, guys, if we officially have World War III, I think your last concern should be if we can trade or not. That is not the questions we should be asking. That is diabolical, my brother. That is diabolical. Do I reduce risk after consecutive wins? Think about what you just asked me. Would I reduce my risk after consecutive wins? You see the new updates? Yes, sir. We talked about the new updates. But chat, if you guys are new here and did not hear yet, big updates came on Apex last night. So all of you guys that like to trade end of day drawdown, Apex now has you covered. And I believe I have a screenshot on my phone. I do. Look at this, chat. Make sure you guys can see. There you go. End of day drawdown, 50% consistency. A great new plan on Apex. So take advantage. and they have a massive discount right now. So I believe it's 85% or 90% off. I think it's 90% off. Yeah, it's 90% off. Yes, sir. I would assume this is just going to be a pullback, chat, into a continuation. So my eyes are seeing anyways. But I don't have much of a big game plan right now. We have lots of highs intact above we've left last week. So we have these highs left from Thursday and Friday, and then of course these higher time frame, which has thrown me off on this whole sell move, to be honest with you. That's why you guys haven't seen me trading this asset for the last week, right? I was waiting for price to stab these highs. We didn't get it. That's why I wasn't selling. I wasn't selling. Now we're getting that buy up. So I think, yeah, there's a possibility we can continue to the upside, which is interesting. Because of what's going on around the world. But what wouldn't surprise me, Chad, is if we get all the way back up to these highs and then shit still happens around the world, yeah, we can get maybe a nuke to the downside. Let's just react accordingly, though. My job here isn't to predict. Kind of stalling at the high right now, chat. Building highs up here. Gold selling still. I still think we're gonna see some more upside. I want to see price below these lows first. I'm good, chat. I'm good. I'm good. What's the condition of gold? Gold is on one right now, bro. Open up at the gap to the upside, so I'm just kind of letting gold do its thing right now. This is what we're looking like. And Q is still moving to the upside. I haven't taken these highs out just yet. See, ES and YM kind of following suit. So we are showing some early bullishness. Off the back of the open. Giveaways always happen at the end of the stream, chat. Always happen. We will be running giveaways today. We always do. Wednesdays and Fridays are hard without you, dude. Still sitting below these highs. Still sitting. Like everybody who said they were green is right. Hindsight is 2020. Hindsight is 2020, chat. How do I avoid over trading during low volume conditions? I learned to sit on my hands. A skill a lot of people overlook. Don't show up to the computer thinking you're going to take a trade every single day. Now, if your approach is hopping on the computer and right away you have the mindset of I need to take a trade today, then you're going to do more harm than good, my bro. You're going to do more harm. What's the point of trading? What's the point of having a system? What's the point of having an edge if you can't even wait for it? Right? Getting the sell off right now, chat. I do want to see price come into this below these lows, which is like a 5-minute imbalance here. 15 is going to close up. We'll see. Maybe the 15 closes up. You get a spike in through the low and then a continuation up into 24,900. And then you take your profits and run. Could be a little bit of a scalp. That's what I can see. I highly doubt. I highly doubt that we're just going to see a big sell-off to the downside without taking out these highs here. Doesn't mean it can't happen, but from a probability perspective, I doubt it'll happen. So I think there could be long opportunities in here, which we'll wait for, and we'll see what happens. Sometimes the fear of missing out makes people lose money, not their strategy. All right. Yeah, Red Morocco, I'll see if I can get to it, bro. You don't even know how many people try and message me on Discord. I caught a gold 1 to 5 R, closed it, but it's still dumping. If you caught a 1 to 5 R, bro, you got to give yourself a pat on the back. That's a trade of the week right there. Take your profit and run. That's the kind of conditions. How many accounts are you trading? I have multiple accounts on CFD, funded accounts. 2 of them are waiting for payouts right now. The accounts I trade, I can only get payouts bi-weekly on each account. What days do you analyze gold? Every single day, but I don't trade it every day. I trading you super glitchy today? Oh, that's weird. Mine's been okay. I haven't had any issues on TradingView right now. Chat, give me 2 minutes here. I just gotta use the washroom real quick, bro. Yeah, I can't type, chat. Be right back. 2 minutes. Let's hope nothing happens while I'm gone. Two minutes, chat. Chat was good. Yes, sir. We got news in a minute and a half now. Would not be surprised, chat, if we just get a spike and fly or a spike and drop. So we'll have to see. Like, I feel like this could happen or this could happen. So we got some scenarios that could play out in front of us right now. We got to wait and see. The oil volatility in oil is crazy right now. Yeah, man. The volatility is definitely crazy on oil right now. Technically nice. Chat, I analyze gold all the time, okay? It's literally, it's on my list. I analyze gold all the time. I don't trade it all. Why would I trade something that has no setup in front of my face? All right. News in 14 seconds here. Don't go and blow all your accounts right now, chat. Don't do it. Go. News is right now. Don't expect it to be too volatile. Wow. Mods, we have to give Mr. Abid in the chat mods, or give him rolls, or whatever you want to call them. Mr. Abid Trades is in the chat. Would you look at that? Spill my coffee like that. Abid in the chat? Yes, sir. Abid's in the chat. Wow, Elijah's in here too. Wow, the whole family's in here. No one says a word. We gotta get rolls for Abid and rolls for Elijah. Oh my god, Bella's in here too. Bella, W update with Apex. W. Absolute W update. I know a lot of people that are going to be using them now. You guys were already a great firm. Now you're an even better firm. So props to you. And thanks for hopping in. Watching you from Korea. Bella, I have bad news. I believe our trip to Asia might not be occurring now. We will see you sometime soon, I assume, but yeah, I don't know if the Asia trip will happen anymore, unfortunately. Me and the wifey in here are upset about it. It's unfortunate. Yeah, Bella, just with everything that's going on right now in the Middle East, because we were supposed to fly to Dubai, and then from Dubai we were going to go over to Asia, but now obviously what's been going on over there, it's unfortunate. So I don't know, maybe we can find like a direct, we can move our flight to be more of a direct one. I don't know. I'll have to talk to I'll have to see what we can do. Nothing is for sure yet. No worries, we have so much more opportunities. 100%. 100%. We will have many more. I know there's going to be a lot more meetups and events coming up in the future. There's one big one I know of that no one really knows of yet. So stay tuned, chat. Stay tuned. And then, yeah, Bella, we'll meet you out there. And, of course, we'll have wifey there as well. It was unfortunate, yeah, because we were dying to go to Japan. Yeah, but I just don't know if we can go to Tokyo anymore. Marco, you just sounded like Eminem. Thank you. Thank you very much. All right. Now NQ's taking out the highs. The long idea is invalid for me now, chat. It's invalid for me now. Now that we're above these highs. 10 a.m. is in, which means 4-hour high is now taken as well. Does this mean we get a sell-off now, chat? What a wild day this could be. I don't know, but it's possible. Does this whole move get swallowed up by a bearish move now? That's the question. Yes, like Eminem. Nice one, guys. That means I got them rhymes, I guess, right? Nice one, chat. Yeah, I mean, listen, if a sell does occur and we leave these highs intact for whenever, damn. This could be a big sell to end the day off then. Manipulated higher, so there's that trap move higher, and we get a sell all the way back down to the downside. That would just be absurd. Traded or rapper. You have all these lows on a lower time frame to confirm it as a confluence there. Is that your partner, Abid? Yes, sir. The legend. The legend himself. Chat, Forex assets do not look interesting to me right now. So they're just on the back burner. I want to be a part of volatility. And volatility is going to be over in the indexes, over in gold right now. Oil, if you guys trade oil. Is oil still doing anything? This is the CFD chart, of course, but... Crazy, bro. You know what's even more insane on oil is... It looks like... This thing is going to go a lot higher, chat. And I mean a lot higher. Above $70 was so good. That was clean as hell. I just don't even look at this chart. Smart should have looked at it, but... Yo, Arun. I know you love USD CAD, my bro. But I'm not trading it right now. All the power to you. I wish you the best of luck on your USD CAD trade. 10:09. Marco, sell NQ in 29 seconds. Put a signal. If I sell it in 29 seconds and it becomes a loss, I need compensation. I need compensation. How will you compensate me? How many 100K accounts are you trading with? A lot. A lot. All right, NQ. Something to keep an eye on though is that higher time frame on NQ. No signals, guys. Only insider info. That's how we do it over here. Just realized we had a new monthly candle. Slow in the head. BTC moving like crazy. Yo, BTC is moving good. Keep these highs in mind. 71K on the higher time frame. You go down to like the daily 4-hour. I feel like all these highs could go, to be honest with you. Just gonna keep the weekly mark though. Downside is still possible. On crypto. A lot more possible, to be honest with you. Especially in, let me go take a look at Ethereum. I haven't looked at Ethereum in a minute. Yeah, I feel like crypto will see a bullish move for a bit. Above, let's put a line here instead. 2200-ish on Ethereum looks good, and then more downside. ES going long throughout the day right now as well. Anybody who said in that poll, here, you know what we should do, chat? Watch this. Watch this, chat. All right, we have a new poll in chat. Now I'm curious to see what you guys are going to say. NQ is minus 0.3% on the day. Are we going to close green or red, chat? Are we closing green or red on the day? Let me know. Are we closing green or red on the day? Vote up in chat. I'm curious to see what you guys are thinking now. Still the same-ish, give or take. Red? Yeah, listen, chat. It ain't gonna be red for too much longer, I assume. We don't got much higher to go. Hey Marco, just trying to train my eyes to see your logic and structure. Keep at it, bro. Keep at it, my man. Green because we have equal highs above. It's possible. Again, these are the highs that we left on Friday, so this is why you guys didn't see me taking any NQ trades on Friday. No, thank you. I wanted to see if I was going to short New York. I wanted to see London above this high. We left it intact. So then New York's price action was no bueno for me. And look at it. Look at New York's price action. It definitely was no bueno. Hey guys, NFP week. Keep it in mind. We could have a crazy week, bro. Damn. With everything that's going on across the world right now, we could have a crazy week. So the poll ends off at roughly about 50% again. 50-50. So no one's really too sure if we're going to be closing green or red on the day. All indexes are red right now. YM is the least red. See what side's going to take the L today? Yeah. We'll see. We'll see. We're going choppy on us right now, chat. We'll see what happens around 10:30, but I don't know if we're gonna get much now, based off the kind of price action we're getting and the time it is. I don't like to be executing. If I'm gonna be scalping, I like to scalp in the heart of the session, and that's kind of right now, give or take. So we'll see what happens. We have lower time frame lows left intact here. We're showing some sells right now. Internal points left here. Trump speaking soon around 11 a.m. Is this true? Chat, someone verify this for me. Or else I'm gonna have to go talk to ChatGPT. There's no reliable info showing Donald Trump is speaking at 11 a.m. today. I don't think he is, bro. Unless I'm missing something here. Yeah, no worries at Dylan, sorry. No worries, my brother. Chad, if you guys want to follow me, all my socials are in the link in the description below. I post on Twitter. I've been posting on Twitter quite a bit, to be honest with you. So if you want to... When charts are looking good and I have clean forecast to post, yeah, I post on my Discord, or sorry, on my Twitter quite a bit. It's a Medal of Honor ceremony, and I expect him to address Iran during it. Oh, I see. I see. Wonder shortly, bro. Shortly. If you guys have not joined the Chart Academy waiting list, man. Chat, you got to get on it. You got to get on it, man. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, hop on the website, join the wait list. There is some massive things coming, so stay tuned, chat. Stay tuned. By the way, guys, I was in the studio on the weekend and recorded a lot of new YouTube videos. A lot of new YouTube videos, bro. So stay tuned. I have a lot of new content coming on the way. Everything's gone chop on us, chat. Everything's gone chop on us. We're gonna have to set up this giveaway shortly because I am staring at paint dry, bro, and I'm not gonna continue to do my head in if I'm not gonna take anything. Price action is killer now, chat. All right, chat. Giveaway time. Instructions. Oh, fuck. I'm getting hit with that Monday tiredness. Damn. Okay, instructions. Exclamation mark. Coffee in the chat to join today's giveaway. Good luck. Get your entries in. And if you miss out, I'm sorry, but not my fault. Get in here. Join this giveaway, man. First giveaway of the week. We're going to be doing Apex, Alpha Capital, and TradeZella. 3 bangers. 3 bangers for your head top. Get your entries in, chat. Get your entries in. All right, chat. We're going to shut it down here. We're going to shut it down. Entries are closed, chat. Entries are closed. Entries are closed, chat. Again, we're giving away Apex account, okay, Alpha Capital account, and 6 months to TradeZella. Okay, guys, all entries are closed. Stop typing in the chat, please. No more spamming in chat. Entries are closed. If you missed out, you missed out. I don't know what to tell you. I'm gonna wait for all the names to come in chat, and we're gonna run this giveaway for you all. All right, here we go. We got the names in chat. Everybody lock in. Here we go. First winner is going to be for an Apex account, chat. Apex account. Winner is going to be Chris Watkins, 8026. Congrats, my bro. Congrats. Guys, chat, anybody who wins an account today, please follow the instructions in the chat below. Yeah, if you don't follow the instructions, you won't claim your account. It's very simple. We're doing it as much as possible to help you guys, but again, you guys have to be able to follow instructions. So Chris Watkins, you got 10 more seconds to claim the account. If not, I'm going to move on to the next one. 5, 4. Oh, there he is. There he is. Claimed it just in time, Chris. Congratulations, brother. You've won yourself a free Apex Trader Funding Challenge account. Please follow the instructions in the chat below. Next account is going to be for Alpha Capital. Alpha Capital. Here we go, chat. Garbins. Garbins. Where you at, my bro? Congratulations, Alpha Capital account. CFD. Type in chat. Let us know you're alive and well. There you are, Garbins. Good stuff, brother. Congratulations, man. Got yourself a free Alpha Capital account. I see all the kindness in chat too. I see all the W's. I see all the congratulations, chat. That's what I like to see, man. We're all loving and supporting each other. Let's go. Last account is going to be for 6 months with Tradezilla. Big one. 6 months with Tradezilla, chat. Here we go. Lock in. It's going to be going to Jody Halford, 7357. Little clap for Jody here. www. Jody won yourself a free 6-month subscription with Tradezilla. Type in chat. Let me know you're alive and well. Jody Halford. Can I say people? Of course you can, Freeman. Jody, congratulations. Free 6-month subscription. W. All right, chat. It's 10:30. Mark is chopping for me now, and it's a Monday. I'm going to chill out and stay flat till tomorrow. So, that's it for me. Congratulations to all of our winners. We're going to see you back in here tomorrow with another stream, and Wednesday and Thursday and Friday. We stream every single day at Chart Fanatics. Give away free accounts. All right. But I love all you guys. I hope you guys have a safe week, especially for all of you out there in the Middle East right now. My prayers and thoughts are to anybody that's being affected by these current situations out there, unfortunate situations out there. I'm sorry you all have to go through these things, but again, much love to every single one of you that came in, hopped in, showed love today. Love all of you guys, and I appreciate all of you guys. And I hope you guys have an amazing week, and I will see you soon. All right. In chat right now, we have a brand new episode that just got released on the Prop Firm Trader with Jade Cap, the one and only Mr. Kyle, legendary trader. Give it a watch, like and comment on the video. You guys do all those good things. But anyways, that's it for me. I love all you guys. Take it easy. All the best, and we'll talk soon. Ciao.